Hello, this is Saturday, October 17th, and this is my daily garden journal. Maybe not quite daily, but garden journal. Today, what I was planning on doing was planting garlic, but I did plant some garlic, but the reason I didn't full on plant, just go do nothing but planting garlic was because um, it's such a nice day out that I wanted to shred the big pile of branches that I have, and I've got this electric branch shredder, Sun Joe branch shredder, and yeah, I don't know, I just kind of really enjoy just sitting there and putting the thing through it while I listen to something like a podcast or something, and I was. Yeah, I did that for hours today, and I think I'm going to do it for a couple more hours while it's still dry today, because October dry in Portland, Oregon is not a common thing. So, yeah, I'm going to take advantage of it while I can. But here's a quick view of kind of what the garden's looking like around 5 o'clock. I have about a dozen of those bag loads that I've dumped into the compost pile here. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this shredding. I don't know what it is about it, but I like it. Well, hello, it's Sunday the 18th, October here, and it's nice, bright morning, bright fall morning. You know, everyone asks me, okay, as it's getting to fall and winter, what are you going to do with your time? Because, you know, you can't really do a lot of gardening. And yeah, I mean, I feel like there's not enough time because, um, you know, during the main season, I'm growing and harvesting and trying to make as much out of that as I can, and then you know, the next season is when we get into the fall and winter. I have all these infrastructure projects that I want to do, repairs to structures, and kind of building up some garden structures for next season and things like that. And you know, I figure I probably won't get to all of them before I have to get back to growing again. I mean, we start planting seeds in the greenhouse as soon as January. So yeah, this definitely is not necessarily a slow time of the garden season. It's a little bit easier because things aren't growing so fast that you feel like this desperation to get it out of the field or anything. But there's still plenty to do, plenty going on, and I can spend endless amounts of hours out here. I always have to throttle the amount of time that I spend in the garden, which I'm sure that's the same for many of you. So yeah, I'm going to get back to it. I'm harvesting this morning. I had some kale, some chard, and a lot of herbs to go ahead and get the basil out of the beds, because what is good now is going to go bad soon with the rains and everything. It'll turn kind of black and yucky and everything, and get everything ready for kind of a donation box to go out to the food pantry tomorrow. So that's one of my main goals today. I was planning to do a lot of garlic planting this weekend, did some, but I don't know if I'll get to too much before I get exhausted and feel like I just need to go in. All right. Okay. See you guys. So back here is the herb bed, and I was planting some cilantro over there. It's October, so I don't know. I mean, cilantro is kind of a cool weather crop, but I don't know if it'll really survive much. We'll see as we go. I'm getting kind of tired this afternoon, so I don't know if I'll quit for the day, but I'm at least gonna have to take a break for a little while. I still have some, I severely trimmed a pineapple sage over there down, and I've got probably a good 3 pounds of that stuff to put in bags or something to donate, get rid of it. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye.